Welcome everybody to Snono Systems. Now we have our version 4.0.27. Now you can easily find the name of the version at the tail of the page, and here it is. The next thing is users list. You can search for any users using MAC address. Like what? I'm gonna show you. Just open any of these users and from edit you can find any MAC address here. I'm gonna copy that and back to the users list. I'm gonna make a new filter and search using MAC like that. Nice. Okay, now open billing, users invoice. From here I can download users invoice and change the design. But how can I do that? Wait a second. I'm gonna download one of these things. One invoice, download here. Here, now save and open it. That's the invoice design. Of course you can change it from here to invoice designer, and that's it. It's designed like web. You can change the logo, you can change the PDF paper size, you can the logo, the colors, padding, width, font, height, everything. You can change the paper size, the PDF paper size, A4 or A5. Okay. If something went wrong, you can back to the default settings from factory default. Nice. We can back again to our dashboard. From managers, here we can find a new thing called allow PPP service. Now you can allow your PPP service from your MicroTik like that. I'm gonna show you now. That's my service. It's service 1. I'm gonna add it now. I'm just gonna back, and now I'm gonna add my service 1, add whatever it was, broadband or hotspot, that depends on you. I'm gonna delete it for now. From online users, now I can export my online users and in an Excel file. Just click export table data from here, and here is our file. Open it. You can find the online users that were working at that moment. Here we are. Now they are ready. Okay, let's close this, and from reports you can find the traffic or the total traffic usage monthly. As you can see, you can find there the top constants, the top downloaders and top uploaders. That's the users that were downloading the most or uploading the most. Okay, you can also get it daily. Just choose the month, like August. Here is our total traffic daily. As you can see, it had the same top consoles, top downloaders and top uploaders. Nice. Let's back out to our dashboard, and now you can import managers. From tools, import data, choose managers and upload your Excel file that contains the manager's data. It's too easy, just do it. And that's everything for this version. Thanks for watching.